Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to get autotune in BandLab. It's called AutoPitch and it's 100% free. First of all, open the BandLab on desktop or mobile and create a new project. Record your vocals or upload an existing vocal track. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and open the BandLab. After opening the BandLab, you will see the plus icon at the bottom. Click on that. Here, you can import your file or voice or audio, or you can use drum machine and other tools. I'll import the file from the gallery and your file will be imported as the sound. Then click on the track and at the side you will see the FX button. Click on that. After clicking here you will see many effects. You will see many trending effects in the gallery or in the library. Now scroll through the effect and choose the auto pitch. This is BandLab built-in autotune. Now select your song key and scale. Adjust the strength slider to decide how natural or robotic you want your vocals to sound. Click on effect simply. Then you will see the auto pitch TM. Click on that. Here you can change the setting how much you want. Play back your track and tweak the setting. You can also stack effects like a reverb or EQ for a professional sound. And that's it. That's how you get autotune in BandLab using AutoPitch. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.